holographic. Alright, ready?
Ready?
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Ah! Is this darker than the other one?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I really like the purple sound.
Okay, I have 3 colors out of all of them. Don't remember how many there are. Hoping for a new color. Okay. Now let's let it cook. Okay, today I got green. It's really cute. Honestly, a pretty green.
Because I have had really bad luck with these dumpling squishies lately. So let's hope for a glitter. I'm so scared. I'm gonna let you look first, okay? Okay, wait. Ah! Ah! What color is it? Please be glitter. Please be glitter. Oh my god. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Okay, it's the red one.
Wow! Oh my goodness.